Namaste. Today we will see how to use protractor. So this is your protractor. Now this protractor is used to measure an angle and to draw an angle. First we will see how to measure an angle using this protractor. Before that we need to know the protractor first. So this is your protractor. Now let's study this first. If you can see here, this is called center point. This line is called baseline. This line is called baseline. Now if you look closely on this protractor, you can find 0 on this side and corresponding number to this 0 is given on the top of the edge, that is here 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. At the same time, if you can see, 0 is given this side also. So corresponding number to this 0 is given in the bottom side of the protractor, that is 10, 20, 30, 40 this way. So the confusion is how to read this measurement. You just need to take care that the 0 is overlapping this line, where the 0 is overlapping the baseline drawn on the angle. From there you should start the measurement, reading from 0 overlapping baseline. What does it mean? That we will see practically. So here you may have two type of angles, like this angle CAB and like this angle ABC. First we will see angle CAB here. So this is your angle CAB. To measure this angle, you need to place your protractor here. You need to maintain the center point on the vertex here. And it is not enough. If you look closely, here this baseline of the protractor is not overlapping with this line. That means it is not matching. So you need to match this first, like this. Have you seen? Earlier it was like this, and you need to keep it properly like this. And as you know, we should start reading from 0 overlapping baseline, that is from this way 0, 10, 20, 30 and 40. So measurement of this angle is 40 degree. We should start measuring from the 0 overlapping line. Okay. Second, if you may have angle like this, then since it's easy, place your protractor matching with this center point and take care of this baseline. It must overlap and we should start measuring from the 0. So here it is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 100, 110 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that is 114 degree. So here it is 114 degree. So this way we can measure our angle using protractor. Now bonus point, if we need to draw an angle. So we will see how to draw an angle of 53 degree. For that we need to first draw one line or ray, AB, then place your protractor matching with the center point, overlapping the baseline and start counting from the 0, that is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 1, 2 and 3 lines. So we will place one dot over here and then this will be our point and we will place ruler and connect this point. So this is our angle 53 degree. Hope you have understood. Thank you.